The following video tutorial was created by the CEPI team, which consists of college students who provided the content based on their exploration or personal knowledge of Zoom. Hence, we are not experts nor licensed professionals. The following video will present the basics of Zoom, and any information that is introduced may be used under the viewer's discretion, depending on how your child or children's teacher uses Zoom. Thank you. Welcome to our overview of how to use Zoom, brought to you by CEPI. Short overview of Zoom. Zoom is a video-based communication app with a platform for video, voice, content sharing, and chat that runs across mobile devices, desktops, telephones, and room systems. Your child or children are likely using this platform for online learning. An account is not needed but may be convenient for continued use. How to download the Zoom app. Navigate to the Play Store to download the app. At the top, type Zoom into the search bar. The app is called Zoom Cloud Meeting. Since the app is already downloaded, it says Open here. How to join a meeting. You can join a meeting through a link or a meeting ID that is 10 or 11 digits in length. There may be a password associated with the meeting. After opening the app, you should see this screen. Tap on Join a Meeting. You can then choose to type or copy and paste the meeting ID or the personal name link. To join with a meeting ID, type or copy and paste the ID into the box. To join with a link, tap on Join with a personal link name. Then just paste the link into the box. You can also join a meeting just by tapping on the link and following the pop-up if the app is already downloaded. In the box below the meeting ID or personal link name, you may change your display name. Tap on the box below that says Join to enter the meeting. If there is a password for the meeting, the password will be requested after tapping on Join. Functions inside a Zoom meeting. During a Zoom meeting, you can mute or unmute yourself to speak, turn on or off your video, and send messages in the chat. On the very bottom left, you can unmute or mute yourself. In the square next to it, you can start or turn off your video. You can access the chat by tapping on the square titled More on the bottom right of the screen. After tapping More, tap on Chat. You are able to send a message to everyone in the Zoom meeting or to an individual by sending a private message. To leave the Zoom meeting, tap on the red button in the top right corner titled Leave. Then tap on Leave Meeting to completely exit.